Can we bring it back? You've been successful. You built this great company. Everyone's thrilled with everything. I get emails every single day. Jesse, the stocks. Jesse, my wallet. But is this something on a larger scale that we as Americans can do? Can we bring it back?
Look, Jesse, it's not just that we can do it, we have to do it, right? I mean, manufacturing is the backbone of any economy, and especially for America. You know, you're looking at America 50 years ago or so, and we were the kings of manufacturing in the whole world. So a lot of our economic success was built on the backbone of manufacturing, and the loss of manufacturing to us has been devastating. And maybe we don't feel it right now, but we will feel it in the future when we've lost the expertise and the knowledge, skills, and abilities that we really have to have to be a strong economy. So as manufacturing overseas, we lose control of it, and that means to some degree we lose control of the economy. And so we believe in a free market and global trade, but an understanding of the importance of things being made by us, right, is critical for Americans to regain. And the ability to do it again is to have the pride in it ourselves, in not just making products, but products that last a really long time, that are, like I said before, innovative. And we give everything, for example, at GRIP6, a lifetime warranty to make sure that we can test ourselves, and making sure that we're following in line with our own values and principles. But the key to the future of American manufacturing is, in our opinion, we spent a lot of time thinking and discussing and moving in this direction, is modernizing manufacturing and being nimble, using automation and robotics and technology to be competitive. We can never be competitive with China or India for labor prices, for example, but we can be more than competitive with technology and innovation, which is what our strength is currently in any case. So I think that manufacturing in America, we have to rethink what it looks like. It looks nimble. It doesn't look like the old boy system of manufacturing 100 years ago. And as we accept that, and it looks really cool, modern American manufacturing is, and it looks great. And I can say, working at GRIP6, it's something that is super fulfilling. So as we rebuild the American kind of manufacturing in several industries, not only is it really essential for economy, but it's also rather fulfilling for the people that work in it. We get a lot of technical jobs, technical labor, engineering and machining, and problem-solving skills that will help us for many years to come.